Momo, see here. Today's we have a topic is our passive reconscience. Passive reconscience. Okay, this is for our information gathering. Okay, this topic is related to our information gathering.
Okay.
Okay, information gathering. In last class also we have seen with the help of our
Maltego.
Maltigo. Yeah, correct. Maltigo.
But
We
said my
have
Maltego is not giving any result.
Maltigo was giving you results. No.
No, no result.
Okay, okay, we will see. Updated, you have given the update to there. It is the new
Yes.
updatation. Okay, okay, we will see. Inside the Multigo, when you check the name as Bill Gates or something, right? I use the Bill Gates name. Okay, in the Bill Gates name, it has shown you know the friends friend's name, and then after the mail ID, the mail ID. This all information I given, I think. On that day I shown. Remembered or not?
Yes.
So this was our the collecting the information. This is our the passive reconscience. Collecting the information with the different tools. Understood? Clear? If you are coming here, see inside the lab. So see here, with the help of Multigo, if I'll be use the Multigo, okay, what we will get? Information gathering. We will collect the information, collect the info about target, clear, understood. Then after we will get the collect the information about location, understood. We will get the collect the information about social, social. We will collect the information. Collect the information about my physical, understood.
Okay.
With the help of this multi-code. So these are the giving the proper information that is called passive reconscience. Passive reconscience. Reconscience. Clear? This is our passive reconscience. Let me come here. We'll see the lab. Saturday, Sunday also you try, okay? 1.5 hours. Understood? We'll try to
What?
finish it fast. I'm telling you, Saturday, Sunday also you try to come for the class. We will try to finish it fast. Okay?
Okay.
1.5 hours, I'm telling you, not more.
Okay.
Every day we'll do the class and we'll try to finish it. Understood? Lots of topics we have to cover up here.
I was always available. You are the one who missed a lot of class.
I understood. But in these days, you can, like that lots of commitments there. Yeah, I was in
No,
the hospitals and all.
even before that, sir, you missed a lot of class.
Uh-huh. Okay, we'll try to finish it. We'll try to finish it. Let it to open once. Okay, see here, my multi-way is there. Okay, what I will do, I will open it. See, it's come on the information gathering, correct or not? This is come on the information gathering. Understood? And we are talking about the information gathering. Clear? Inside information gathering, that is my passive reconscience. Understood? Look into
Okay.
opening. See here, this is the tab. Okay, it will open. See, this is open. Hold a second. Let me remove the unnecessary windows. Okay. See here. So here I have the option is my what? I have the option is for my person. We will
No, no,
find
no.
that.
Don't take a person. Don't take another thing.
Wait. I'm coming. This is for person. I have the company option. See, this is my company option. Okay. Let me come on the
Mhm.
company options. I'll become on the company. See, inside the company and organization. Understood? I will come inside the company and I will drag this. See, this is one company. Okay. I will open the company as just right click on that. And what I will do, I want to open the company as what Microsoft or I'm coming on the IBM. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Inside IBM, what are the choices we have? Name type, DNS name, domain, email address, GPS, IP addresses, phone numbers. Okay, this is not updated. I have to update this one. Otherwise, it should show you here um, so many options. Understood? Not updated. So what I will do,
Hello,
here,
sir.
yeah. Here so many options should become. Understood?
For for me, when I did right click on it, it is showing no transform.
Not transform only. Nothing more.
Hmm?
Nothing more. Only these options are not coming there.
No, those are not coming.
You have to. You should have to update this one multiple. Remember, I told you here when you open the multiple on that time, the multiple should have to update. Clear my point. When it will be
Mhm.
updated, then after it will work, it will give you the all priorities what you want inside that. Understood?
Yes.
Getting
How
my
to,
point.
how to do that update?
You will have to update your Kali with the help of Kali. If the Kali is
I,
updated, it should
my
update.
Kali my Kali is up to date, sir.
Okay. It is
I'll
your
do now.
okay. It is your this version, right? In the Mac you are running, right?
Hmm?
Inside the Mac you are running.
Yes.
Okay. Let me check once. Okay. Let me check once. See here, DNS name. I have started to check the DNS name. Understood?
Mhm.
Click on here. DNS domain. This is the content. This
Ah, purée.
GPS IP addresses. Wait a minute, I'm adding all transforms, okay, inside my Kali. Hold on a minute. See here, this is updating, right? Are you getting?
Yes.
We have to update everything here. So down everything we have to update. Case file. Install it. Yes. See, you understood my point. We have to update everything here. That features
Show
are
me what.
better.
Show me again.
What you are getting?
I said, show me again. I want to see.
Wait a minute.
It is like
You should come here. See, you should come here. Understood? That transform hub is there, right? Inside that, when you will come there, no, it will ask you to install and install. You understood? Install and uninstall. See here, this is attack and CK, MISP. You have to install. Getting
Okay,
these are known as our transforms.
okay.
These are known as our transforms. Understood? When you install all transform,
Okay.
after that it will work properly. You will get all options. Getting my point? You will
Yes.
get all options. Understood? See here, are you sure want to install this one? Yes, I will. See, it is connecting with 8, then after it is installing. See, this is the server. To that server it is installing MISP. citas.petreva.com.
I'm first updating my Maltego first to see.
Correct. Understood my point. So you have to install everything here, no? Understood. Everything here, blockchain, C4, then after this all update it. It will take 50 minutes, 60 minutes, 1 hour nearby your time, and then after it is gone. Understood? Because with the multiple when you open, no, this is going to link with these sites here. Understood? See here that we are talking about the passively conscious. Understood or not? Inside the passively conscious, what it is telling you that we have here. Come on that. See, we are talking about here. Just a minute. If I'm talking about the passively conscious, inside that we have, I told you, either we have the physical and or we have here the social. Understood or not? Getting my point. So if I'm talking about the physical, we have to monitor physically. Monitor the place. How will be monitored? Monitor the place. Listen carefully. Monitor the place. How? Physically. Clear? What you will get here? Best examples are satellite image. Understood or not? Satellite images. They will give you the physical information. Understood or not? Next is fine. In a days we have drone is there. Understood? With the drone, that is known as drone recon. Understood? This is also physical. Third is coming if I'm talking building layout. Building layout. Understood? So inside building layout, what are the options we have? Paths, readers, badge readers, break areas, security. Are you getting what I'm explaining? Physically, or we have fencing. See, fencing. These all will become in your physical. If I'm talking about the social, see here. Inside the social, we have employee, what employee name, job, phone number, everything will from getting from the social reconnaissance. Understood or not? Phone number, who is the manager inside that you are working, everything you will get through the social reconnaissance. Picture, picture is also coming. So Multigo is the best. Understood? To get the social gathering information. Here,
But for example, when you give your name, Martigo will not give exactly Surab, you as Surab exactly. That is what I'm thinking.
Oh, you are talking about the exact sort of information, right? So you have to go more specific on that. If I'm talking about more sort of right now, so you have the options I'm coming here. See, then after what you will do, host attack or wave attack. This is known as your host, the wave or host. Your question is here, your solution. If I'm talking about if you want to know about only the Saurav Srivastava, who is the faculty, understood or not? So see, there is no see how you will get, because with the name of Saurav Srivastava, lots of people are there with the same name. Understood or not? So you have to create a wave or host. Clear. So inside, if you become on the wave or host, it is going to categorize. Try to understand this one. It is going to categorize how target validation. See, try to understand. This is Saurav Srivastava. Understood? Saurav Srivastava have unique passport number. Correct or not? Passport number, unique passport number. I have unique passport number. Now, so many Saurav Srivastava is there. So I have the unique passport number. I have the unique PAN card. Understood? I have unique what? Driving license. Driving license. So these information you have to collect in favor to Saurav Srivastava. When you are collecting the information about Saurav Srivastava, when it's open the Saurav Srivastava, so many Saurav Srivastava, because this is the in the wave if you are coming, this is giving the all Saurav Srivastava information. When but you have to give the proper, like if you know the mail ID of the Saurav Srivastava, what the Saurav Srivastava is using the mail ID. I'm using the mail ID is Somu Srivastava. Are you getting my point or not? Somu Srivastava 098 something I'm talking. Understood? So you have to collect, you have to give this information. Then after it will be redirected. If you are coming on the particular Saurav Srivastava and that what is the domain or something, the company's name, these things you have to collect about the Saurav Srivastava. Then only it will become on the particular Saurav Srivastava, because with the name of Bill Gates or with the name of Saurav Srivastava, there is lots of people who are using the same name. Understood? That's why we are coming on the target validation. In the target validation, what we will do, try to understand this point. Inside the target validation, what we will do, inside the target validations, we have options. We can go with what we are using the wave and host. Understood? So we can try what we can try who is correct or not. We can try NS lookup, and we can go with DNS recon. See, Momo, try to understand. You have to more particular. You have to more individual to collecting the information. Understood or not? Only particular name, if you are giving, it will be giving the thousand of the name in the Saurav Srivastava, 2000 the name of the Saurav Srivastava. When you are getting the name of the Saurav Srivastava, you have to provide the information. Then after it will open the new pop-up. Understood? New pop-up. inside the new pop-up, you have to provide the correct information about whose Soros inverse are you looking. You have to give the location, correct or not? Understood?
Okay.
Company name, where he is working. Then after, you have to provide kinds of this passport number. You have, if you have the information about that, you have to provide what their social friends. That's what I shown you in the last class. Remember or not? Social friends, like 4 to 5 social friends. The name you know. So when you are targeting the target the to the victim, on that time you should more familiar about the victim information.
Okay.
Victim info. And victim info, how we will get information? Gathering information. That's what we are talking about, the gathering information. Understood? Gathering info. This word is more important here. Clear my point? So these are the target validation. With the help of this one, you are getting the specific. You are going to specific name, a specific target who is with LS lookup, DNS sequence. What I will do, last class I shown you. See, next is what? We can go, this is target validation, finding subdomains. Remember or not? Last class I shown you. See, next is my getting more familiar, more accurate target with help of finding what? Subdomains. Understood? Hello, are you there? With the help of finding subdomains. In the finding subdomains, we have used what we use Google FU. I'm giving it the name. With the help of this one, you can get Google FU. In Kali Linux, I shown you, remember or not? That is the Kali, in the last class, Kali Linux, I shown you. Like Kali or like Saurabh, my company's name, what are the domain, subdomain, or Microsoft, this subdomains they are using. Understood? So with the help of which are the sites are available, which will give you the accurate subdomains, collecting the information. Google FU is there, DIG is there, Tick. So write this name. Nmap is there. Okay. We have Bluto is there. BLUE. Bluto is there. We have CRT.sh is there. CRT.sh. These are the particular sites. With the help of this one, we can collect the information about our subdomains. Understood? Huh? Next is our fingerprinting. Fingerprinting is more important one. This is first one. This is second one. Third one is my fingerprinting. What fingerprinting? We have Nmap here. I'll be use Nmap. Here, I'll be use here. WebLiger. Write this all. WebLiger. I'll be use WordPay. You could use Netcat. Netcat I shown you, remember last class. Netcat. Correct no? Netcat. So these are these, with the help of this all we can collect the information about the fingerprint. Your sound is not clear. What?
I said you didn't show me Netcat.
Okay, Netcat we will see when we will come on the getting the information about our domains and all. Understood?
Okay, I'm
fingerprinting. Next is our fourth is our.
I'm taking note. I'm taking.
Yeah, right now I'm writing. Next is our data breach. Data breach. In the data breaching, you can use breach parse, right? BREACL, breach parse, and you can use VLIC info. VLIC info. Yeah. With the help of this one, you can correct the information about the web or host. Clear?
Okay.
Fine. Next is my identifying our target. Write this point.
I'm taking notes. Okay, so
Then see here. If I'm coming on the target, okay, what I will do, I will check my identify the target. What we have to do here, target. How to check the weakness of the target. Understood? Next I will go. I will open the site is my bug crowd. I will open the site is my bug crowd. Bug crowd, inside that you can go and you can find Tesla is there. Understood or not? Tesla. And that Tesla you will find inside your Multigo also. I showed you inside the Multigo, Tesla is there. Understood? You will find, you will open the Multigo. Multigo have options you can install the Tesla. Understood? Information getting the target, more weakness inside the target. Understood or not? So Multigo, that one, you have the browser, you have the applications. In the help of that application, you are getting more information, getting the more information about the target, because this is going to link with the other, you can say the engines. Understood or not? Other engines. Clear? That engines are giving the priority or giving the facility to the Multigo that they can redirect their functionality. Clear? So let me come. We'll see this one. We have your bug crowd. If I open the Google, I'll go here, bug crowd. See here, bug crowd for the cyber security platform. Write this one, okay? What I'm giving you. Understood? This is for cyber security. Understood?
it is
So are there?
what code is used for what?
This is information gathering for the target. Information gathering.
Okay.
For whom? Host or what? Web. Clear? Understood? You have to go to log in it, because see, if I come here, let me show you once.
Can you show me?
Yeah, I'm coming here. See. See, host IO is there. Let me come. Casper Skype, passive tools. Sodan is there. The Sodan also they can get. Palo Alto is there. Okay. With the help of this one also we can get individually. Individually, if you want, I will go on the background. See here, background is for what? It's explaining you here. Background reduce risk with coverage powered our crowdsourced cybersecurity platform. Combined vulnerability, understood scanners and traditional penetration test with trust security. Understood. This is giving you the vulnerability. Understood. Check the vulnerability. Here, here you will find programs options are there. Understood or not? You can become here. Become on the programs options. See here, you will find what whitelisted. Understood. What are the sites are for whitelisted? I explain you whitelist and blacklist. Remember, no? It is paid site. Understood? Come here, down, Firefox security, web, web API, Cybrary is also there. This is very much important. Okay, Cybrary. Understood? Follow up this one. Cybrary, right? Tesla is there. We got Tesla. Understood? Here. So we'll become on the Tesla. Write the points for the Tesla. Tesla is for security researchers. Take the vulnerability. Clear? Understood? Or for bug bounty also, right? This point. Bug bounty also. Come down. See why we will use third party bugs. That's what I told you, bug bounty. Clear now? Write these points. Some points from here because this is the part inside your penetration testing. This is important. They will ask you question from here. This, this in your course, write this. Third party you write, this one you write. Right, this one.
Yes.
Down little bit. It will show you here the targets, how it is going down from here. See here in the targets, Tesla.com price this one. In this scope, you will find how it is going. This is for website testing. Understood? Website testing. Here, this is all related with our Tesla. Understood? Only copy and paste it, come down, and how it will be used. Target name. See. This is showing you the target name. With the help of this one Tesla, we can go to check the targets. Understood? Whitelist. Clear? I shown you. See, this is giving you information. Any domain such as Maxwell.com. Understood now? This is paid because for some companies it is required for the paid services. Understood now? Paid services. In place of this one, hello, in place of this Tesla, I saw you in the Tesla because if you go in the company, they will use the Tesla. Clear or not? So, in place of Tesla, inside the multi-coin will be used. Multi-coin will give you the complete information. Understood or not? Clear, no?
Okay.
For what? For bug write this what I am writing. Bug bounty. Okay. Done this thing. Done this part. Here.
Yes.
Okay. Every day we will go for the process. Okay. What did we
But
do? Yeah, yeah, sure. Don't tell me. We'll complete. Okay. Right now, there is no other words. I'll be finishing first. Okay. See here. mm, we are coming on the hunter.io. Hunter.io. I'll be coming the hunter.io. Pointing for the emails. You understood? This will be give you right this one. Hunter.io will see what is my aim. Collecting more information. Correct or not? You told me how I will know this is the Saurabh Srivastava. See, always remember, you have to remember the sites and all. Okay, some hidden sites, so many sites are there. Each extension are different. You remember in the dot, we have to use the different extension with the different websites name, with the domain name. Correct or not? In your this browsers, that not so sophisticated name they are using, but the domain and the extension is different. Clear. So I will come if I use the hunter.io, it is giving you connect with my what? Giving the information about the email. Right this. Understood? Collecting the information about. Are you there? Hello? Collecting the info about what? About the target mail ID. Clear? Fine. Right this.
yes.
Hunter.io. Understood? write here. I will write here the company name is Tesla. Okay. Let me write here. Company name Tesla. Escape Tesla. Clear. Understood? Fine. You should have to click here. Check. Who are using the Tesla? See, please log in to see the entire email address. It is telling me to sign up and all. Understood or not? With the help of Tesla, I can get. If I am coming here, I cannot write here because this is the public domain. Understood or not? So I will not give the public information, private information here. You can check the help of this one. Understood or not? Clear? This is your giving a gathering the information, email ID. You understood my point? So this is write the point what I'm teaching you. This is giving you information about your. I will ask you tomorrow questions. Understood or not? From the last one classes. So this will be give you to collect the info target mail ID. Understood or not? I check on the Tesla. I can check on the Gmail. At least with the help of Gmail, I can get more information, right? We know like what the users are using the mail ID and all. Correct or not? This is the basics information. Understood? No? So
can you use any other local company?
Local company. If local company is registered now, if local company is registered, their domain name is registered. I don't understand. Domain name. See, before that, what is come? Company name is coming. Okay. Company name or domain name should be registered.
Okay, I will send you something. You can try that one.
Okay.
I'm sending.
Okay. Should be registered, not on the public domain. Okay, because class is recorded. Should be registered. Wait a minute. Should be registered. If it is registered, if it is registered, are you there? If it is registered, like try to understand, the company is abc.com. This company is registered on the name and all with the government, and it is worldwide, globally registered. Then after Hunter will search it out. It becomes see here. Maybe this that what you have given the details. Maybe this details is maybe that details is registered with. Try to understand with your GoDaddy. Are you getting my point or not? GoDaddy.
Yes.
So it will be a redirect with GoDaddy, and then after GoDaddy will reveal the information about the particular post or web. So let me come on that point. Okay. This does not put the domain. Understood? Mail. Some .com should be there.
Is it down?
.com is there.
No. It is that down. It just showed down. Just delete. Remove .com. Okay. It is that down .net.
See. Okay. You understood? Hello.
Okay.
It is showing me one email ID and two sources there. Okay.
Okay.
And this is Hunter is giving me 50. Total 50. See. Search it. Always remember, free is nothing. Understood? It will not give you the prior complete information. So you have to. This is also the paid service. Clear, right? This is our information gateway. Tomorrow, hello, tomorrow we will see breached credential breaches. We will see tomorrow. 2 hours class we will do. We will see the breach.
Today class is over.
I'm going for lunch right now. Okay, just like this. Or else in evening we can continue. Okay, right. So we will see the breaches. What you do, you update and upgrade your multi-home.
Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm doing
Okay,
that
right now, right now. And what you do, just ping me in evening. When you free, you ping me because continue classes in there. Understood or not? Clear my point. Up to 11 o'clock after the class. So what you do, no, just ping me when you free. I so many times I told you, when you free. If I'm giving you the time like every minute you call me or we continue the classes. But when you
Sir,
free, just ping me. 1 hour,
you,
1
always,
hour.
you always all used to tell me that okay, we'll take class afternoon, but you never call me back.
You call no. What happens
I
sometimes
feel
I'm
I,
busy.
I feel I really feel
Don't
bad for it.
No,
I'm
no,
telling
no.
you the truth.
Don't feel bad. Okay, don't feel bad. You call me. Understood or not? Because continue classes. Understood? Don't feel bad. Call me because I'm calling you now for the classes. Some classes there. Understood or not? You call me. You push me. You take information from me. More info. Clear my point or not? Understood?
Okay, okay.
Clear, no? Be friendly, man. Be friendly. When you will feel free, just call me. Understood?
That's why I'm understanding some things.
No, 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 no. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Yep. So we will do breaches and all. Okay. When you free, ping me. In 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, I'll be finish the class, the running classes, then after
Okay,
your class
okay.
will do. Okay. Be friendly, man. We will finish these classes, I think, like in this month only. Understood? This month we'll finish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. See you evening. Huh? Call me.
Okay. See.
Okay.